Hey guys, I'm on Fifa 16 and really I just want to show you my squad at the minute, my record. So I will do a few videos on YouTube, probably a few bronze pack openings as I can, because I'm a cheapskate and I can't afford any gold packs. So without further ado, let's get on with the squad. Up against Anthony Martial. Now Anthony, this is upgraded Anthony. 87 pace, 77 shooting, 65 passing, 82 dribbling, 29 defence and 72 physical. He's a decent player, especially for the squad. He's had 3 owners already. Next is Danny Welbeck, 85 pace, 77 shooting. What's happening here? Then 85 pace, 76 shooting, 72 passing, 80 dribbling, 34 defence and 78 physical. I'd say we go to Shaqiri now. Now we'll work our way. Mourinho right there. Mourinho, oh, the little twat. Moving on to Dimitri Payet. Very good all round, 77 pace, 76 shooting, 82 passing, 81 dribbling, 44 defence and 68 physical. Let's move to Ander Herrera. He's a good start as well. 75 pace, 70 shooting, 79 passing, 84 dribbling. Not so good defence and not so good physical either. But overall he is a good player when you're playing with him in game. So I highly recommend you buying. Next is Oxlade-Chamberlain. 89 pace, 72 shooting, 73 passing. Now he might have 73 passing right there, but he passes as if he's got 80, come on. 84 dribbling, 42 defence, and 70 physical. It's not really that physical. Moving to the defence, left wing back, has to be Ashley Young. I put him there for a simple fact. He's fast, he's okay with his dribbling, obviously 82 and 85, 74 shooting, 78 passing, and he overlaps, really. Straight to the other side. We're going to go to Matteo Darmian. If you want a good right wing back or a right back in this game that's decent enough to be in your squad, then Matteo Darmian right here is the one you want. 79 pace, fast enough, 51 shooting, he's not really a shooter, 69 pass, he passes as if it's a rocket, he should have 90 passing as the game progresses, 73 dribbling, 82 defending, and 78 physical, so really you've got good all round stats. Moving to the left centre back, Mbemba. Yeah, he's not doing good in real life, but on the game he is sick, trust me. 82 pace, 56 shooting, 54 passing, not really need to worry about them two stats. Dribbling, not so bad, 78 defending and 79 physical, is a good all round in defence. Moving to Marcos Rojo. 72 pace, 60 shooting, 66 passing, a bit better. 66 dribbling, 81 defending and 82 physical. Thing is, he is just good. He is just good in real life as well, Rojo. You just can't beat real life. Probably one of the best. Yeah, probably one of the best centre backs you probably get when it comes to BPL is Chris Smalling, or as Louis Van Gaal called him, Mike Smalling. 76 pace, 26 shooting, 55 passing, 61 dribbling, 83 defence and 76 physical. Now that 83 defending really is false. It just is false. It just is. He defends as if you've got 90 defence. Come on, man. And final in the 11 is Miguel Vaughan. He might not look much, but this sort of fella, 83 diving, 84 reflexes, all them stats really should be over 80. The way he performs in every match is just amazing. I only picked him up for 650 coins, just about there. And he's just a brilliant goalkeeper. He just really is. Really, if I was to sell him, it'd be worth about 20k. He's that good, honestly. If you just try him. Moving on to the bench, Shaqiri, 87 pace, 77 shooting, 77 passing, 85 dribbling, 57 defence, 74 physical. The usual all-round right midfielder. Now we have on loan Balassi. I'm thinking of buying him as the actual player as soon as I've used all his contracts. 88 base, 68 shooting, 66 passing, 83 dribbling, 30 defence, 79 physical. Legit Balassi is the next Messi in skill. 5-star skill moves, come on. You can't moan with that. Moving on, De Gea. In my opinion, the best goalkeeper on this game. Even with inform, his inform can beat Team of the Year, Manuel Neuer, and that's a fact. He's just amazing. Me, I support Manchester United. It's just my club for me, really. And I hope De Gea actually becomes the best in the world in real life. To be honest, he actually is, in my words. So Atsu, Christian Atsu. I love him because his pace is just so fast. And dribbling, I don't care about any other stat apart from his shooting. His shooting might be 67, but he just shoots as if he was Cristiano Ronaldo. He's just ignore the 67 shooting, right? Moving to Iturbe. This is transferred version to Bournemouth. I had him in FIFA 15, I bought him again. 92 rate pace, 70 shooting. Those are your 2 stats, dribbling 84. Those are the only 3 stats I love about him, and that's all he needs to impress me. Moving to Son, he should be rare, and should be worth a lot more coins. 86 pace, 81 shooting, 70 passing, 80 dribbling. You couldn't ask for a better left mid. He's doing well for Tottenham in a minute. I reckon he should be about at least 82 rated. And to Juve. Now what to say about Juve? 90 pace, 77 shooting, 56 passes, 68. Really, all them stats, apart from his pace and shooting, are just false. He's just amazing in game. Just look at them stats, look at them stats. Moving on to the reserves, we have Branislav Ivanovic. Got him in a pack for free. Not or rarely use him, but when he does play, he's okay. Mane, I use him a lot, but he's been injured the past few games. But he's fit enough to play, so I reckon he'd probably replace Ander Herrera. Obviously, my chemistry will go down. In fact, I'll try it. A minute, guys. No, it's just the rating that goes down. I'll keep him out of the squad for now. Just let the rating go up a bit. Now, moving on to Koke. He makes no chemistry with anyone on this team apart from Herrera. Really? This is why I don't play him, unless I substitute him on. but hardly ever using. This stats I'm not even going to talk about, but 81 dribbling and 85 passing. Decent in them two stats. That's why it's probably 83 rated. No, but it's on already now. Now, oh why? Let me just renew his contract. It takes the Mick contracts. It really does this on this game. It really does. Player contract's done. Usually he would play where Ashley is, which I'll do right now. Yeah, decreases the rating, but it don't matter. He plays a lot better than Ashley Young does, as he's just a better player. And the final player of my BPL squad is in fact Martin Skirtle. I never play him because of his pace, but his defence and physical, they just amuse me, they really do, and they're just abusing in-game. And there you have it. There we go, and there is my squad. It's not much, but it's won me a few games, I can tell you that. It's won me a few games. I've got 1,000 coins, I am just cheapskate. No FIFA points, 17 wins, 9 losses. And most of the 9 losses are practically just, I don't know, just disconnections. So really, that should be about 2 losses really, not gonna lie. Do you know what, I'm gonna open some packs while I'm here. I'm gonna open 2 bronze packs. Press X on the camera. There we go. Are we gonna get anyone good? This building, I didn't think so. It was worth a try. How black can you get? No, I'll take the contracts. I'll take them. Goalkeeper training, I'll take that. And nothing else, thank you very much. I think we've got enough for another, you know, actually. After this second pack. Second pack on we're going. Hey, I might actually keep him. Does he go for much? I don't know. I'll check. I don't take manager contracts. Why did it give you so many badges in packs? It's madness. I don't think he goes for much as his bronze. Yeah, up to 10k. How much does he go for? Goes for 1k, but I guess I could keep him for future squads. That's the only player I'll keep. If anything else can move. I'd say this is the last pack, unless I get a free pack, which I doubt. But here we go. Alaba. Oh fuck. Really? Just fox. Start chasing rabbits. Yeah, you see what I did there? Oh wow. I'm bad at jokes. Don't get me wrong. Take the training. You know what? In fact, nah. I'll leave the ball as it is. I'll just quick sell the rest. And yeah, that's my squad. I'll probably get my mum or something to hold the camera while I play a few online matches on camera. Unless I can find a stand for it and actually let you see the gameplay as I'm playing. But anyway, that's the end of the video. Please like, subscribe. I haven't had much luck on my videos. I've had views, but no one just wants to subscribe. But I thought this would boost it up a little bit. as I'm going to be consistent, so you'd expect at least 2 videos a day, or even just a 1 video a day, or even more if I feel generous. I don't know when I'll put this up, probably tomorrow, I don't even know, but please like, subscribe, I'll see you guys in a bit, peace!